Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to make an amazing woolen flower with two colors of wool and some pearls. The first thing to do here is to wrap around the first color of wool on the fork for 30 times. Please wrap it smoothly. Then tie to secure. Now, attach the second color of wool right at the middle of the fork and then wrap around there for 8 times to make visible combination. At this point, pull the design out from the fork and then pass the needle on one side of the opening and attach 2 small pearls. Pass it again to the other side and tie to secure. When you're done with this little piece, make them 5 pieces and join them together to make an amazing woolen flower. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you've not done so. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead right at the middle of the woolen flower to make it seamless and beautiful. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next one.